Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build strong, toned legs without ever stepping foot in a gym, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through simple and effective ways to strengthen your leg muscles, all from the comfort of your home. No fancy equipment, no complicated moves, just real results. Let's get into it. Why strong legs matter. Before we jump into exercises, let's talk about why leg strength even matters. Your legs are literally your foundation. They help you walk, run, climb, sit, stand. Basically, they're doing work all day long. Strong leg muscles improve your balance, boost your metabolism, support your joints, and prevent injuries. Whether you're chasing kids around, working a physically demanding job, or just trying to stay healthy as you age, strong legs make a huge difference. The main muscles you're working. So what exactly are we trying to strengthen? First, your quadriceps or quads are the big muscles at the front of your thighs. Then you have the hamstrings at the back of your thighs. Your glutes, aka your butt muscles, help power your movements. And finally, the calves, those muscles in your lower legs that keep you stable when you walk, jump, or climb stairs. A good leg workout hits all of these areas. Warm up first. Before we start training, always warm up. You don't want to shock cold muscles. A quick 5-minute warm-up gets the blood flowing and prevents injuries. Try marching in place, light jogging, leg swings, or a few bodyweight squats to get things going. Now you're ready to move. Top 6 leg exercises at home. 1. Bodyweight squats. This is a staple move. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Push your hips back and lower into a squat like you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and knees over your toes. Do 3 sets of 10-15 reps. This hits your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. 2. Lunges. Step 1 foot forward. Lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Then push back to standing, alternate legs. This targets the quads and glutes and helps improve balance. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. 3. Wall sits. Find a wall, slide down into a seated position, and hold it thighs parallel to the floor. Back flat against the wall. Start with 30 seconds and work up to a minute. It's a killer for leg endurance. 4. Glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Push your hips up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Then slowly lower down. Great for glutes and hamstrings. Do 3 sets of 12-15 reps. 5. Calf raises. Stand tall, lift your heels off the ground, and slowly lower. You'll feel the burn in your calves. Try 3 sets of 20 reps. Want more challenge? Do it on one leg. 6. Step-ups. Use a stable chair or step. Step up with one leg. Bring the other up, step down. And repeat. This builds power and balance. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 10 reps each. Add resistance as you progress. Once bodyweight becomes easy, add resistance. Hold water bottles, wear a backpack with books, or use resistance bands. The key to muscle growth is progressive overload, slowly increasing the difficulty to keep challenging your muscles. How often should you train? Aim to train legs 2 to 3 times a week. Rest is just as important as training, because muscles grow during recovery. Switch up your routine to keep things fresh, and keep your legs guessing. Cool down and stretch. Don't forget to stretch after your workout. Focus on your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. This helps improve flexibility, reduce soreness, and support recovery. And that's it, a complete leg workout plan you can do right at home, with no equipment needed. If you stay consistent and push yourself a little more each week, you'll see real changes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who could use a good leg day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.